Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today is the day 2 to 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. So in this challenge, we are focused on building our personality, self-improvement and getting out the best version of ourselves. Okay, so today now we are going to start with what I did on my second day of this challenge. So I woke up around 6:38 and I went to drink 2 glasses of water. So hydration is very important, as I said in my previous video. So I did that. Then I went and prayed and did meditation, which made my mind very calm. And then I watered my plants. Then I did a little bit of journaling because there were a lot of thoughts that were running through my mind. So I kind of wanted to just remove them out. Hence, I just did a little bit of journaling so that I could focus on what was required. Then I did some computer work as I had some videos to get uploaded to my other social media platforms. And then I went and got freshened up, did my skincare, took a bath and all that, and then I prayed and had my breakfast. Then there were some reels to be shoot, so I got into shooting them, and along by side I did my laundry as well. Then I had my lunch, and after that I came and started to edit the reel that I had made earlier. Then the main part where I set for the research on how to build this personal brand, and here are the points that I learned today. So the first thing is to find out what makes you unique. It can be your strengths, your skills, your talents, your goals. You have to know all these to know how you are different from others. This can also help you to bring confidence on yourself, and hence it is very important you just take a book or paper and just write down what are your strengths, skills, talents and goals, and then you have to evaluate what isn't working and change it. There are some bad habits that we all have, and we all are guilty about it, but it's a habit and we just go through it. For me, my bad habit is mindlessly scrolling through phone. I don't even get to know how long I have scrolled through the phone until I see the time. It's just an addiction and you cannot get out of it. So consciously, when you take care of this habit can be broken. Then the third point is to set realistic goals. For me right now is I want to include some good habits. I know there are goals. So for me, the goals right now is to work out every day, to get work done on time. This is one thing that I'm struggling with. I keep all things for last moment and then I get a lot of stress that I could not complete the things on time. Next is I want to improve my communication skills, eat more healthy, and as I said that I want to be a model, so I want to practice ramp walks, different types of walks, posing and all related to it. Then the fourth point is make a list of small changes you can make in your daily routine. So now you know what are your strengths, your skills or your goals. You have set some realistic goals. You saw what is working and what is not. Now you have to make fix in your routine accordingly. Also remember, that is the next point, is to invest in your health. Health is very important, so make sure that you eat on time, eat proper food, not only junk food. You have to eat healthy because it helps to keep your mind focused on your work as well. So if you want to get your work done, if you want to improve yourself, then it is very important that you know what you are putting inside your body. So invest in your health. Get some time to work out, or if you do not like workout, you can go for walks, you can go for running, anything that you wish. Just move your body. Then last tip is to be patient with yourself. You cannot expect things to change now itself, right? It will take time, but it will surely happen. So be patient with yourself, be consistent in all these things. Now these are the tips that I have learned today, which are the start. As I said, we are going to start from the scratch. So we are starting from very basic tips. Hence, I'm gonna build my routine accordingly as mentioned in the points and share that routine with you tomorrow. After this, as it was evening by that, I went and got freshened up, prayed, and then had my dinner. I'm trying to have my dinner at least by 7:15. So I'm trying my best. We will do it. Yeah, so I had my dinner and then I edited this particular video that you're watching right now, and then went to sleep by 9:30 p.m. That's what my day 2 looked like. So I'll see you tomorrow for the next day of this challenge. Until then, take care. Bye.